sebi Islamika wan kasa se ye di nyansa ebo bra baby akania ye dum kania for so many years. Any baby akania siso for so many years. In for now Becca said eh huh? Enti papa ne de media no mo bedam emra no be ye adwuma na ye be chechi o mu nyina baako eye obia wadi yesika bia no obedam na ye be sre se de ye ka no uba na your first time near no wa follow page na my no asan subscribe to your YouTube channel no e de amaye because you say no campaign no na ya sha ase no omo pese omo ya fa kwan bia so tumfuturu ye be sabi ye be so omo hwe amu afo omo achi ne amia kopem sa aba no emu anwa nyina be chi magu frampa mu ne de ache omo kosua no enti uba no wa follow page na my na wa share no wa wo so ahu say aha fie TV o de ko enti me de megusu pe solution to why one becomes we so fukura work heaven at the moment or joining NDC now adane bonsam wo fa ase no obokro no aden political party baapo emu nipa nyina na every say free every sankra etimi betena ho ka kire Ghana ha Tommy, I think me know ya doing 120%. You see, Unya Kwenya as a former president who is vying on one or more than beba because medical children says NDC ne Mahama no mo go as penny and ma group be a penny uncle home fans on one or beba kokasa Asem na wo kan do you listen to yourself who kasa brofo no majimi you see VW ever be assembly e wo Ghana because they have an ambassador Germany omo ambassador wo Ghana and before they move there they consult the ambassador say o man no say ekosen and this on be factory bi wo ho na sa wo ya wadwen say wo kwose Ghana a kire wo mo a they see you as a traitor they see you as a non me hu dia menka ya na ma no no yemedu I want sem bi hu but Asem no so sa na tie they are criminals I say nyina are criminals enti mpanyifo se bone ba otrim na onyansa so ote enti na omunnim nyansa sa no because look say wo wahu oman bia ni nyina so ne mabunu no na mabunu a omo ye educated enye mabunu keke mabunu omo ye educated oman panyi bi ba ye no wose da bi ye mo bia nko school se ne ye betena bofra ase kra ne akwa ye sua de na ba ko sese da bi mo ma ye nya ne sa mo nko school mani beti ye ntimi nwia o mo na wa babunu ne yasan akekere and as NDC full soldier na yesi koka free education for one na osu di akire Jimmy na okọ akọ yesa de we is it one kasa odwen ho a uwie so wako free education for one no uwie wako uwie ne ba akọ omuma kobi we a party say anhwe ya I always say this say ye benya obi ode ne ho beto ho ama ne man aye service to country God and country to say ye president Akufo-Addo ye ebedin because the rate at which I am my ho kwama NDC fo no sabi Jimmy wo papa no ho no eso na ya na yem nwanwa me se me challenge oma omo yi work in Akufo-Addo's factories or buy ye bie ni na say they should form on a situation and anytime NDC ni ko hwini bi ba betra kasa Akufo-Addo buy one factory close here no they should respond. They are the best people to respond. We any party samu nima NDC na timi koto asichire eko gu factory bi mu say factory ni produce asichire enso no omo de omo boa endi sa factory na ba ni nyina omba ombe gu ni nyina Ghana ayi nkroma factories nkroma jama Ghana kwahwe kokan wa ba kwasem say ni nyina gu da ben time and NDC e was so na nyina egu ye unim de ntia NDC etimi ayayi history every year syllabus mu no. How can you forget your history and know where you're going? Never. But omo de omo say omo atwam because they know history ebeti omo to. History be bo omachi. That thing dan kwa man kura ba be hu say NDC abro party nti mumi entwa history mu. Krobia opese oje omo passport, you have to learn their history all over Europe. And the pacho we dey na yetiabo wo anu ye bi am pacho ja comment section as na yen share and trust so the current problem facing Ghana is our media. They only propagate bad things in the country. Exactly. And we the people to because you see when you come to spread good message, they don't share it. Ube diatema no ma be no bon say si aneko. And the obi akinu suntina kanu kwa so ojigo. Emra ben so na kire se wo free park so a eni kwa se referee jigo. Na watam asem we e de akwa kodina Supreme Court. Say yenka bi ma. Na former president so tro bastardize Supreme Court say the omo ye no omo ntwanchia. Former president o kasa ya chirem. Chirem say de ye kan ya say bi one piece na omo kupa no omo ye tibo nkoso de omo koye ni. You see edu ba bia emra na edu ba bia na e di fie nyansa ho. Nti MPs no omo di fie nyansa ene BT mo. E fie nyansa na da bia ka say NDC MPs mu nkope bi no eno no omo di BT mo no. Because se munya fie nyansa wo parliament wa munko kontokwa se munya fie nyansa wonko yese gidigidi mi ko bu obi tie kunyam ne nkadre bebo no akoto twede wonni fie nyansa de a da bia de ka woni na da bia so nyansa win eno na aka mu amode kwaje 7-0 e wo court. Okay, mummy hear the ruling na e bai we say in exercising our discretion on whether to grant or refuse this application, we have considered one, this is the Supreme Court ruling, we have considered one, the nature of the relief sought, that is, declaration that an act of parliament is null and void. Okay, Supreme Court say, yeah, no more said the the greater inconvenience or irreparable harm or loss which the parties will suffer, including the likely issues in refunding numerous tax deductions, should be reinforced. Okay, the nature of the legislation which is under attack, including the fact that the act under review is just any legislation, it is a tax on the issuer. And the Supreme Court, so better say, Ashia say, Sebi, and some of Modiabano. The only country say, Parliament proceedings near course. Supreme Court bet me the Constitution of Ghana. And we are one. And we are almost catch there say, the entity almost in Germany say, Asem no, omu di bi, nefa bi court. And to omode court on it dear. A bit ma say, a bow, di bi, omu di bi ma, o ma yati o muni na yati o musika. And the abayano so intimi and refunded ma womu, and Tisadia Yilevi, Yenkem. The Atosu mienu, now face ya kwa say, Oma, omojiji Yilevi no, and so Omana Momra Panswana. Okay, Mumian. The Atosu me and Sana Mekan, the Atosu now say, whether public interest and welfare of Ghanaian people is better protected by grant or refusal of the injunction sought. Being a public law application, we have also considered the legal maxim omnia presumptua right secta, way a Latin word, and its application to the official act such as an act of parliament. This is legal presumption, which is gained statutory recognition under section 37/1 of the Evidence Act 1975. Okay, there said and he said